Macau. Macau from here, from Hong Kong, just 45 minutes, and the fare is 65 MOP. At the same, going back, same. Don't call me, I'm doing live, please. Later. I cannot answer you at the RV, sorry. Or else my line will cut off, my live will be cut off. At the RV later. So now I'm here, going to, hello, mega love shout out. Thank you for giving a thumbs up. So now here, posting the chat, mega love shout out. Say hi, hello. We are here. Before I'm going inside, I need to rest room. But I need to get what do you call this, ticket for the bus going to Hong Kong para show hi to Hong Kong. So we will pay, we will get the ticket from here. Hello, mega love shout out. How's my signal? Can you please say something? Or I'll take a ticket. Wait guys, okay? I'll pay my ticket because my bus cards. Just a minute. Going inside. You just can see my shoes, my pants. Sorry guys if I cannot say anything, you know, that's the rule, so you need to follow the rule. So you just see my Hey. Hello, halfway. Mega love shout out, halfway. Good morning. Good to see you. Happy weekend. Merry Christmas. You and your family. Give Oh, 3 million people in the house. Thank you, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, very much. Good morning, Peps. Good morning, Ways. Where are you going? What are you doing? Going now. Guys, don't forget to like and share. Please share your Christmas gift. It's Christmas. Where? Peter. Mega love shout out, Peter. Mega love shout out, Peter. 7 ways. Halfway. People in the chat. He going now. So I'm here now. Good day, halfway. Give it my ticket. Where's my ticket?